Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka kinhun menteri hene kasi kala Mynjur ya ka jing terwa ban penbet ya ka Jaka jong ka Sorkar Tura da ka bawan ra eka polisi with Thymmai kataban IY slam sha kitu Kiba Shong Basah menta ya kani la pentrai kam hadien balayo I ya ka jing job ha ka jing pentrai kam ha William Nagar u menteri rang ba u konrat ke sangma ulaya tho ba ya kani ka rai la shim ban penbet ya ka jing ki balaya kendu ha kini ki pausnem ki baladep ki mukoduma kasuk kesan kabalawan ra da kibrio kibam ithu kibala shuwan Shong ha kini ki Jaka uloong bakani ka Jaka kande ka Jaka jong ka Sorkar hinrei kin IY sha kitu kibrio ki badai hok da ka bapet ya ka jing penshisha bat ka jing long ibet ka jongki.
The agenda for the settlement of the GAD land under Tura town area, West Karo Hills. As you are aware, there are many localities where there are government offices, government land, which have been encroached by individuals and public at large in the past 30, 40, 50 years. And in many cases, there have been a lot of court cases going on. And at different times, there have been eviction notices being given, which has caused a lot of inconvenience and at times law and order situation. And hence, in line with the same policy which we adopted for William Nagar about 2 to 3 years back, the cabinet today has approved the proposal from GAD to go for settlement of these encroached land. So this will be leased out in a long-term lease to the people who are staying in that land. The land will be revenue land, but as I said, lease pata, long-term lease will be given to these individuals. There are criteria that will be followed, and based on those criteria, now as I said, it will be regularized in one way. Settlement will be done so that in the future there is no more complication and no more situations that the government or the public has to face. As I said, these people have been in that land for a long time, and the only practical way for us to move forward in this was to go for the settlement so that we can actually see these kind of long problems being settled once and for all. So we're very happy that this is being done, and the first phase is being started. There are certain localities who have not agreed and are still have differences with the revenue department and with the government. We are not forcing those localities, but the localities which have agreed, where the surveys have been done, digital maps have been created, the drone surveys have been done, all the necessary exercise has been done, public hearing has been done. For the last 2 years, this exercise has been going on. So the localities which have agreed, in principle, we have now decided to go ahead with those. And in the second phase, we will continue our discussion with the other localities which have not agreed till now. So this was a very important decision from Tura town point of view, and this has been something that I have been personally talking about because this happens to be also my constituency, and I know the problems firsthand, and I've been engaging with the public at large, and I'm very happy that this is something that now we've been able to settle.